Good day, viewers. You are welcome to Years of Physics, Lesson 1-1, the title of which is Physical Quantities and Units. The first physical quantities we are going to discuss is based on the fundamental and derived physical quantities and units. Introduction. The study of physics permeates, that is, it spreads, diffuses through three basic concepts such as matter, motion, and energy. On the other hand, physics is involved in the measurement of these physical quantities in nature embedded in these concepts of matter, motion, and energy. What are these physical quantities? One may ask. A physical quantity is any number or set of numbers used for quantitative description of a physical phenomenon. To define a physical quantity, we must either define a procedure for measuring the quantity or specify a way to calculate the quantity from other quantities that can be measured quantitatively. For example, we may define distance and time by describing the procedures for measuring them. A definition in terms of a procedure for measuring the defined quantity is called an operational definition. We then have two kinds of physical quantities from the above operational definition. A. The fundamental or basic quantities, which are operationally defined. B. The derived quantities. These are calculated by simple combinations of the fundamental, that is the basic quantities. In this first lesson, we shall be concerned with the fundamental, that is basic, and the derived physical quantities. Answers will be given to the following questions. What are these fundamental or basic physical quantities? 2. What are the derived physical quantities? Now, the fundamental or basic physical quantities are mass, length, time, temperature, electric current, and the amount of a substance. Note that mass, length, and time are closely associated with mechanics in physics. Temperature, that is the degree of coldness, of hotness of a body, is associated with the concept of heat or thermal energy. The electric current, that is the rate of flow of electric charges with time in seconds, is associated with electric energy or electricity. The mole concept is associated with the amount of a substance, mostly applied in chemical reactions, chemistry. The table below summarizes these fundamental, that is the basic quantities, their units, and symbols for easy identification of the quantities. So I present the table here now under the three columns: quantity, unit, and symbol. The first one is the mass, the unit of which is the kilogram, and symbol is kg. 2. The length, which is measured in meter, and the symbol is small letter m. 3. Time, measured in seconds, and the symbol is S. Temperature is either measured in Kelvin or Celsius, and the symbols are K or degrees Celsius. The electric current, number 5, is measured in amperes with big letter A, and the amount of a substance is measured in mole, and then the symbol is also mole. These physical quantities are expressed in form of magnitude, that is the size, and units only in order to make sense. Examples are written as 10 kilograms, 2 meters, 20 meters, 5 seconds, 273 Kelvin, 100 degrees Celsius. They are basic or fundamental because all other physical quantities and units depend on them. We now come to the next physical quantity. The derived physical quantities are those physical quantities obtained by simple calculations or by simple combination of two or more of these fundamental or basic quantities. Their corresponding units are also described as derived units. The following are the examples of derived quantities. 1. The area of a four-sided rectangular plane or rectangle or square. The area of a rectangle is a derived quantity with the derived unit m squared. The volume of a room or a cuboid is derived quantity obtained by the product of its length, breadth, and height with a corresponding unit of meter cubed, as you see it in the diagram area. Then the third one is the density. The density of a substance is a derived physical quantity. The density of a substance is defined as its mass per unit volume. Thus, if the mass of a substance is 50 kilograms and its volume is 5 meter cubed, its density is given as 10 kilograms per meter cubed. The speed of a moving object is also a derived physical quantity. Speed is the rate at which a distance is being covered per second by a moving object. Thus, the unit of speed is meter per second. Further exercises. I would like you to consider the following physical quantities as derived quantities in terms of their units, symbols, as follows: acceleration, force, work done, pressure, and power. Summary. Physics deals with the measurement of physical quantities. A physical quantity is any set of numbers used for the description of a physical phenomenon. To define a physical quantity, we need to either define a procedure for measuring the quantity or to specify a way to calculate the quantity from other quantities that have been measured. For example, the measurement of distance and time to calculate speed. The definition of terms of procedure for measuring is known as operational definition. The definition in terms of procedure for measuring is known as operational definition, which constitutes the group of physical quantities described as fundamental or basic quantities. Specific measuring instruments have been devised to measure these fundamental or basic quantities. These fundamental or basic physical quantities have been given in the text. The other aspect of physical quantities obtained by simple calculation or simple combination of these fundamental or basic quantities constitute derived physical quantities. Examples of these derived quantities, physical quantities, have been stated in the text. Appropriate symbols are used to denote the physical quantities and are expressed in form of magnitude, that is the size, and units only in order to make sense. Appropriate symbols have been shown with these corresponding units. Thank you for listening.